Welcome to my YouTube channel. MI Shorthand. Write a dictation at the rate 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, I fully agree with the Honorable Deputy Minister when he says that it should be our endeavor to see that there is much progress in the matter of electricity and that consumers get electricity at a cheaper rate. Sir, in our country, with the question of national reconstruction before us and considering the position of our coal reserves, it is very necessary to develop the other sources of power. I remember, sir, that in our student days we used to read about white coal, namely power generated from electricity. In India, there is an abundant scope for developing that white coal, and if that is developed, it can bring about a very extensive transformation in the whole structure of the industry, because if there is supply of cheap electricity, then cottage industries and a number of other industries can easily be developed, and the places which are still underdeveloped industrially or where there are large potentialities of industrial development, but there are certain other difficulties due to lack of coal, etc., can easily be developed. So, sir, from the industrial development point of view and from the point of view of developing cottage and other industries, as also from the point of view of the employment potential which is concerned with these industries, it is very necessary that progress should be made in the development of electricity. This will help the consumers also, because electricity is now being used for more and more purposes, including the domestic purposes, and with electricity we are able to reduce the drudgery of our day-to-day life. But, sir, there are certain other factors which should also be taken into consideration when we are considering the question of developing these things. Sir, the Honorable Minister has referred to the 2 minutes of dissent submitted to the report of the Select Committee, and he has rightly said that the minutes of dissent represent two extremes. But in order to avoid these extremes and in an effort to adopt a middle course, actually what has happened is that middle course goes round the other extreme, that is to say, it goes to help the vested interests, and thereby it comes in the way of development of electricity departments. Sir, take for instance the question of electricity development when the different stations under the DVC scheme were all intended to produce electricity. I have heard that the rate of electricity supplied is very high, the cost of production is much less, but the rate charged from the consumer is very high. And what are the reasons behind all that? One of the reasons, I think, is that in that locality many of the industries are owned by the Anglo-Indian companies, and they have their own resources for generating electricity. So, in that whole industrial area, there is no scope for utilizing electricity from that station. Therefore, other outlets for the utilization of power generated from the DVC stations are to be sought. It is no doubt good that there is a proposal to run electric trains over the suburban line to Kolkata. That is no doubt quite good, but the question is that these private interests who have got a monopoly there are also coming in the way of development of the electricity departments. I might submit, sir, that the development of these stations, particularly the electric power generating stations, was undertaken without a proper assessment of the possibilities there. Secondly, sir, he has said that it should be our intention to see that the consumer gets electricity at a lower rate, but the industrialists do not feel shy to invest their capital and their resources because they feel that their investments are secure. They think that their profits are reasonable. Now, sir, we know that reasonableness or otherwise of the amount of profit is looked at by the industrialists from a different angle. We have to see what is reasonable from the point of view of the nation or from the point of view of the consumers, and what is reasonable from the point of view of the nation may not be reasonable from the point of view of the industrialists. So, in a concern like this, in an undertaking like this, which is a public undertaking, the consideration of what is reasonable from the point of view of industrialists should not be the prime consideration. The prime consideration should be the development of electricity undertakings and making electricity available to the consumers at a cheaper rate. In the Calcutta area, sir, the supply of electricity is in the hands of the General Electric Company. Its period of license has been extended further and the government proposes to supply electricity from DVC to Calcutta and the other area, though that company. Stop.